Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about input attributes in HTML. So first, before I continue, what is an input attribute? What is an attribute? So an attribute is special words used in an HTML tag to control the behavior of an HTML element. So we are going to be talking about attributes used in the input tag. So the first one I'm going to be talking about today is the value tag. So the value tag is used to add value to an input in your input tag in HTML. So this is how it is done. So I have my input tag here, which is a text, and I add value. Let me change this value to Timmy Online. So if you come here like this, as it's loading, you can see that's the value of Timmy Online already without me typing the input already inside the web page. So I just added it directly here from Timmy Online. So that's the usefulness of the value attributes in HTML. So the second one we are going to talk about, which is the disable attributes. The disable is just a single word. So now assuming I have Timmy Online here, online, and I add the word disabled. So if I go back to my web page, you will see that it is here. Okay, let me refresh once more. So I have Timmy Online here, but I can't click on this thing, on this input tab here. It's just there. I can't click on it. It won't allow me to edit anything on it. I can't click on anything here. So it's just like as if the input tab is just there and it's not functional. So that's what the disabledness do. The disabled attribute do. It disables the input and makes it useless, just there. It's not functioning. It cannot work. It cannot submit. It cannot do anything. It's just there. So there's another one similar to the disabled, which is the read only. So here is how it is done. So you just write read only. It's similar to the disabled, but it's different still. So this is what the difference between it. It can allow you to click on it, because if you notice when I clicked on it, now the color of the input border changed. You can see that, but it even allows me to, okay, let me try and refresh. It's not supposed to allow me to edit it. Okay, you can see it's not allowing me to edit it. I can only read it, though it doesn't disable the input, unlike the disabled attributes. It just make me allow me to read this. Although I can, assuming like I'm using a backend language like PHP, I can submit this into a database. Unlike the disable, you cannot submit a disabled input into the database, but with read only you can still submit a particular element, the information inside this element, into the database. So that's that about the read only element. So the next one we are going to talk about is the autocomplete. So here is how it's done. Let me clear this off. So I'll remove this, then let me say input and say text, then I'll write autocomplete. So when you put autocomplete, you can just say on or something else, but I want to use a specific stuff, so that means I'll use a name or name. Yes, so let me use name. I can just say name. When I click on name, then you come back here. By the time you refresh, by the time I click on this, okay, let me refresh once more. You can see it brought out a name already. So that's the job of the autocomplete. But if I say off, if I write something like off now, you will notice that it's not bringing out any data, because I've disabled the autocomplete. You can use on, off. You can specify that, okay, by the time you type in the autocomplete, it should bring out an email, date of birth, or any other thing. There are different keywords you can use for the autocomplete attribute. So that's that about the autocomplete. Now the next one we are going to talk about is the autofocus attribute. So the autofocus attribute it's an attribute that allows you the browser to focus on the input tag immediately the browser is loaded. So by the time the browser has load, it's going to display this, it's going to focus straight on the input tab. So if I say autofocus now, if I say autofocus, I just need to type in the autofocus, then you notice that the cursor is already on the distance, so I don't need to like click on it again before it's there. It's already focusing on it, so I just need to type what I need to type without having to click on the input tab. So that's about input tags in HTML. So in case you have any other attributes in case you have any other attribute that I didn't mention in this video, please you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my videos. I need to get to 100 subscribers so that it can inspire me to continue to create more content like this. Thank you.